Hi everyone, my name is Umair Lakani and welcome back to my Java tutorials. So in this channel, I make Java videos every week or every weekend. So if you're new here, consider subscribing. Okay, so in today's video, I'm going to be teaching you guys the Java character dot isAlphabetic method that we use in Java programming. Okay, so first of all, what is the Java character dot isAlphabetic method in the first place? Okay, so the Java character dot is alphabetic method is basically used to ask our compiler or to ask Java if the character that like the single character that we wrote inside like the character data type, is it an alphabetical like a character, or it is not an alphabetical character. So for example, you write char, any random variable name, is equals to, and then the character, like for example, you write the percentage sign, okay, and then semicolon, and then you use the isAlphabetic method, okay, isAlphabetic method, and then once you use that, it will give you a result. So yeah, you're basically just asking Java or your compiler, is it alphabetic, like a yeah, like is it alphabetic like this character, or is it alphabetical, or is it not, or if the character it is not alphabetical. Okay, so yeah, so char a is equals to percentage. So to find out the result, we simply have to print it out. So system.out.print ln a no, sorry, character. So character, you have to write it with C, yeah, with C uppercase. Okay, so character, like not char or without the C uppercase or stuff like that. No, you just have to write character dot is alphabetic, and then you write is alphabetic, and then you write parentheses, and then you write the variable name, the variable name of your char, okay, of your character. So mine is a, so alphabetic a. So now once we execute this code, it's gonna give you a result, and for me it gave me the result false, because look, yeah, the percentage sign, it's not in the yeah, it's not an alphabetical like alphabetical yeah, alphabetical character. So yeah, so in order to make this condition become true, you have to put a, so or any character that is from the alphabet, so a b c d e f g and just like that. So for example, I write x and it's an alphabetical letter, so once we write that, it's gonna give us true because it's an alphabetical letter. But if you write something else, like the and operator or the percentage sign, or any other with or any other sign with just a single character, it's gonna always gonna give you the false condition. Yeah, so char a, and also by the way, we are using the char data type, right? So you have to write the single quotation marks, not the double quotation marks, because as I've already mentioned earlier, the string, yeah, or like the double quotation marks, we only use it for text, and for text it means strings, right? So for strings, so for example, string a is equals to hello. So we only use double quotation marks for strings. But if you want to use the char, then you only have to put the you only have to put the single quotation mark. So if you're still confused about this char, like a single quotation mark or double quotation marks, then just make sure to watch my video where I would be teaching you guys the Java data type, which is my second video of my channel. So yeah, make sure to watch it, and I will put a link to it in the description down below, or in the comments down below. Okay, so string a is equals to hello, so I will just remove this. It was just for the explanation. So yeah, So if you instead write it like this, then it's gonna give you an error because it's gonna give you an error because you need to put the single quotation mark. And also there's another very common mistake that you didn't put the parentheses by using this method, because as I've already mentioned a lot of times, you have to put these parentheses because it's a built-in method. So whenever you use a built-in method, don't forget to put the parentheses because it's always important, because here it was important to put the variable name. Yeah, so we can also do it with other variable names or stuff like that. Yeah, so char a is equals to, so let's just change the variable names char y. And yeah, so you can do any random sign or any random symbol, and it's gonna check any random single symbol, not double, okay? Because if you write a lot of like if you write like a lot of characters, like instead of one, it's gonna give you an error because by using the Java char data type, you can only write a single character, which is yeah, which is just like a rule, and it's important. Okay, so oops, I just have to change it. And yeah, so if you put the percentage sign or the dollar sign, well, it's always gonna give you the same result. So trust me, guys, okay? So wait, once I put it at this, then false. Okay, and yeah, guys, that was it for my video. So make sure to like, share, and subscribe. And don't forget to turn on the notification bell too so that you won't miss out any of my videos. And yeah, guys, have a nice day. Bye.